I welcome everyone. This is Enamul Hussain. Today we have about 21 participants out of 28. So some of the participants made an excuse because they had prior commitment. So I welcome everyone. In this poll, there were 400 plus candidates. Out of those candidates, we interviewed each one of the applicant. Out of those people, we were able to hire these people as an instructor for the institution. We are about 28 out of 400, I think 30 or something like this number. Only 28 instructor we hired, though we had intention to secure more people as an instructor, but as you know, this is the system we need to follow. So I welcome to every one of you to become part of the NSRIC. Our mission is to educate people, and you are one of the luckiest person to be associated with our institution. Though we are new, but we try to maintain high quality course delivery. And we wanted to make sure that the student audiences who will be coming to our institution, they will get the real education. There is nothing fake, and we wanted to maintain high quality education. This is our mission. So with this, first I will introduce Mr. Saimuddin, who will be taking care of your courses. And if you have any issue assigning the course, because these will be going to the synchronous mode of course delivery, as we discussed earlier during the interview and as a follow-up emails with you. So what he will be doing, he will be showing in a minute. The immigration program is a special program for us. It will be synchronous mode of course delivery. Parallelly, it will be working as an asynchronous mode of course delivery, as we discussed previously. So your course would be already prepared, and your course will be showing up as a program with this system. So a student who is planning to get admission under this program, he or she is encouraged to take all these courses which you prepared and you put as a part of the program for different level, right? You already know all these facts. So Mr. Saimuddin's responsibility is to make sure that your course and your program under different level are showing correctly, and you as a professor having the access without any issue, and you can upload your course, you can have the full access to the system, so that a student also on the other hand can have the full access on your course and on your course material upon registration. And you can have full swing correspondence. There would be side from administration side to the course. When it comes to the scheduling, when it comes to the here and there, let's say, problem with IT during the course upload, then Mr. Shamsul Azam will be taking care of those effort. Let's say one student cannot have the access, or there are problem with communication, or you are in the middle of the course preparation and you are about to upload the course, but somehow the system is not allowing, there are little problem with the course upload, one of the item, then you correspond with Shamsul Azam. So these are the two things I wanted to make sure you understand. Now, Mr. Saimuddin, are you here?
Assalamu alaikum, Professor. I am here, but I'm not in my laptop. I will be available within 20 or 30 minutes.
Okay, thank you. So
okay.
In that case, we will pause. You prepare your computer from where you can show and teach us about where are the courses, how the courses.
Sir, I plan to make a tutorial video for them so that they can watch later too.
Wonderful. That would be even better, definitely. Now, in that case, let us move with the short introduction of our hired instructors. And I would appreciate if you can tell us for which program you are nominated, you are hired, and what is your plan, let's say, for next to come. because our program is already started. So it is your time now, from where, on which date, or on what week or which month we can start your program. Thank you very much. I will request one by one, let's say based on the alphabetical order, what we can see here in the list. So starting with Shamsul Azam, I think you already know him. He is our CEO Office Associate. Our CEO Executive, Miss Habiba, she is sick. So that is the reason she cannot join us, but she is the responsible person to take care all this activity what we have been doing. So Mr. Shamsul Azam is just helping us, being a CEO associate. You already know him. So second is Dr. Abul Hussain, please.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So could you please introduce yourself, and then for what responsibility you have been assigned, and for what?
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for selecting me as an instructor.
I cannot see him. We cannot see him.
Can you hear me, sir?
No, we can hear you. We cannot see you. That was
okay. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Can you now hear and see me, sir?
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah. Thank you very much for selecting me as an instructor for your organization. I'm especially experienced in oil and gas industry. Last more than 13 years, I've been working in a national oil and gas producing company in Bangladesh. Basically, I am graduated from BUET in Materials and Metallurgical Engineering, BSc, MSc, also completed PhD in Materials and Metallurgical Engineering. I'm also SP board member in Bangladesh section. Also working as a volunteer and other special instructor for SP Bangladesh sections. So I am selected for this course as an instructor in petroleum engineer. Actually, I am here explore the oil completion, drilling, workover, and oil testing and other oil completion related tasks. So I have preparing my course as per the instruction of NSRIC, and now I'm in a mid position, and after completing I will upload the courses. So I think this is an interesting place for me to deliver knowledge and field experience to the students and the other audience. I will try my best level to deliver my knowledge and experience to the institute and others. So I am now I am excited to pick up the course module and how to upload the course materials or contents to the system. I'm also a member of International Engineering Association Thailand, and I'm also working as an external PhD examiner as an international examiner. Now I'm working in MNIT and also Bengal Engineering Plus. At present it is the Indian Institute of Engineering, Science and Technology, Shipur. So I think I will share all required knowledge from these institutions and from the online lectures. So I think all of the NICR persons will help me for proper delivery the lecture and for upload my course material to the system. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. So your network was probably buffering, not that is strong. So some of the discussion were cut off, which is okay. Thank you so much. Miss Kathy Chan, please.
Oh, hi, everyone. My name is Kathy. I'm living in Vancouver. Nice to meet everyone here. My specialize is in marketing. I've been working as director of marketing, head of marketing, and co-founder with a tourism company for the past 18 years. I have MBA, Master of Science in Marketing, and study my PhD with University of Warwick. I'm preparing the course module. During the interview process, I designed a marketing program with 12 courses, 12 modules, and I'm preparing the course content one by one. Once complete, I will upload to the system. Expected like end of March or early April.
Thank you so much,
Thank you.
Ms. Kathy. Mr. Ahmad, please.
Hello, do you have my voice, sir?
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Nice to meet you all from either side of Atlantic. This is Ahmad Morshidi. I am an Iranian based in Toronto. And I'm really happy, thank you, especially Professor Hussain, for having me with your esteemed NSRIC, if I'm not mistaken with the name, institution. And I'm really happy to be with you, ladies and gentlemen, a very recognized intellectual team. Really happy to be part of you. So my background is in English literature and Western philosophy. What I am here for is especially for the IELTS preparation courses. And so I've outlined modules of IELTS based on Ontario course delivery standards and Ontario TESOL for those people who especially are willing to come here to Canada to either study or work, need to be CLB standardized English learners in a way. This is my trial, so to keep them updated with the not just what to learn, or rather how to learn, and finally how to be successful in any English proficiency exams, especially for this course IELTS preparation. I would be really happy to upload my course materials and all the modules and lessons online for NSRIC. Thank you for now. And as of the time, as Professor Hussain just said, I'm quite ready to upload it as far as I can learn how to do it technologically. I think I am the only one among you who is in the humanities, not in the technology. So,
all of us will be learning how to use the technology for
sure.
For
sure. So I'm waiting for that technological lesson so to learn, and I'll upload my courses as soon.
Thanks a lot.
Don't worry, I am the social science part.
Okay.
Even I am from literature, so
Same here.
I'm there with you.
So it was a good icebreaker, I suppose.
Yeah, thanks a lot. So now I would request Nito Chaudhary, please.
Hello, everyone, and it's nice meeting you all. I'm really glad I got this opportunity. So I would like to introduce myself here as a human resources management instructor. So I'll be taking different courses, but right now I'm going to start with administrative services. And this is the basic, NOC code that we are going to prepare the students for, so that they can actually work in the same field. And my area is commerce management here in NSRIC. Although I'm a certified TEFL teacher, so I work as an ESL language instructor at college level, and I have an experience of over 8 years in the same field. Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Sorry, I don't know. It is in alphabetical order, but now it is Sania Fatima, please. So Sania Fatima, is your internet okay?
Yes, sir. My internet is stable, sir.
Okay. So can you introduce yourself, please?
Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself. And I can see that we have candidates from different regions, and it's a very good experience to, interact with the people from different regions. So I have been assigned as an IELTS instructor. I've been working in this field for the past 2 years. My story is completely different, I would say, because I did my master's from Master of Pharmacy with majors in pharmaceutics. And after that, I worked as a scientist for around 2 years, and I used to carry out research and everything. Then after that, I switched to, this IELTS field. And from that time, I started teaching the students like how to crack the IELTS, both for the journal and the academics. So now, alhamdulillah, I would say like majority of the students, they are getting very good scores, and I'm really happy that I am helping out the students to fulfill their dreams in order to like migrate to other countries, be it for study purpose or for immigration purpose. And I am almost done with my course and everything. I like probably it will take around 2 more weeks for me to prepare the content. I'm almost done. Like I'm trying to upgrade the material to the next level, so that the student can benefit in every possible way, and I can explain them in a very simplified manner. So that is all about me, sir. Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Olabisi, Sithu.
Yes. Good morning, everybody. I don't know. I think it's afternoon at your end. I live here in Edmonton, and I'm 2 hours behind you in Toronto,
Right.
Ontario. All right. My name is Olabisi Rebecca Shitu. I'm a Canadian. I've been living in Canada for quite some time, maybe 12 years. I'm only from Nigeria in West Africa. I am so delighted, to join the team of NSRIC Inc., to do the things that I love to do the most, which is to share my knowledge and expertise, helping learners, to understand and to become somebody in life. I have been teaching for a long time. My background is in English. I'm an English teacher. And I am also, I've gained or earned certification or certificates in business as well. I have a master's degree in business administration, and I've had to go to the Middle East to teach, where I honed my skills in that area. I have been recruited to teach the foundation courses with the online department on NSRIC platform. Modules are developed, deeper lessons are being developed right now. But I got stuck at a point where to upload. So I'm so glad that that area is going to be covered for us, so that I can begin to upload what I have done so far. I still need to know I will be starting my own, because I don't know yet. So some of the things I've done so far, they are blank because I don't know the date. I'm very, very happy to be here and to be able to work with an international department like this. I'm so delighted. Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot, Ms. Olabisi. Dr. Ali, please.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Syed Ali, and I've been a professor of English language and literature for the last so many years. Well, I can say decades. And I've taught at different universities of the world. So in a way, I've been an international professor. I'm based here in Windsor, Canada, and I'm really very happy to be associated with this NSRIC. And my field is going to be, with this platform, my field is going to be ESL, English as a second language. And I'll be giving 2 courses, one on writing, a kind of academic writing, and the other one on remedial grammar. And the purpose is that the students who would like to go into higher education, or who would like to migrate to Canada or to any other English-speaking country, they may be helped and their skills may be improved. So I am almost ready, and I think in a week or 10 days, I'll be quite prepared to start teaching. And I have been doing the same things as the other friends have said. So that is what it is about me. Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot, Dr. Syed Ali. Now, Dr. Abu Abbas Ali. Ali Abu Abbas or Abu Abbas Ali? Sorry, I made a mess.
Hello, everyone. Dr. Ali Abu Abbas, how are you doing? Hi, everyone. It's my pleasure to be here actually today and to be part of this very good job actually and very good project. This is actually one of my objective since long time is to work with immigrant and to help immigrant. Actually, I have a master's degree in project management from Quebec University, and my PhD is in business administration from the United States. I have more than 25 years work experience as a project manager, consultant, and a professor. Mainly recently, maybe 5 or 6 years ago, I managing a company that dealing with immigrant to try to help immigrant because we know what are the challenges that immigrant facing in Canada, especially the Canadian experience. So when we talk about the Canadian experience, it's not just about the work experience, it's also about education and how to speak the market language. So mainly our objective is to help those people to get the Canadian experience and to understand the managerial system and managerial style in Canada. So I've been selected for the project management course. And this is something what I love actually. And mainly my course is designed based on, for sure, project management methodology, but also supported by a very good and many case studies and work experience to provide those people the knowledge and the skills and the information that they need to be able to work in the Canadian market, to understand the Canadian market, and to be able to find job in Canada. So actually, this is one of the courses that I am teaching since long time, but we redesigned this program to make it very simple and easy for those people. And as we will discuss now, actually, during the pandemic and after the pandemic, and when we start delivering courses online or hybrid, so we redesigned and we restructured the course to be able to deliver online, because as you know, there is difference between face-to-face courses or teaching and online teaching. So we redesigned, we tried to make it the course fun, but in the same time to provide those people the information that they need to understand how to use and how to implement the project management methodology. So I am so happy. Actually, regarding the material are ready for me, but just we are waiting to upload on the system and to start to schedule the courses. So again, I am so glad to be part of this group, and we hope that we can all together work together to create a very good positive social change for our society and for the newcomers, to help them to integrate them into the society. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, Dr. Ali. Who is Cassie? Can you speak, please? And change your name into original name instead of shorter version Cassie.
Oh, it looks like that's me. It's Catherine Carpenter.
Oh,
I'm not sure why it came up as KC. Nice to meet you, everyone. My camera's off because I have a little one with me. But my name is Catherine Carpenter, and I'm a full-time instructor with Mountain Polytechnic University here in BC. And I'm thrilled to be able to do this. I think it's a really great approach to making education more accessible to those who need it to be successful here in Canada. And I think it's awesome. The program that I'll be focusing on is HR management. My courses are ready. I just need to know how to upload them.
Wonderful.
And that's me.
Wonderful.
Thanks.
Thank you so much, Katie Carpenter. Now, Mustafa, please. Mustafa Delavar.
Yeah. Hello. Good morning, everyone. Nice to see you. And as you know, my name is Mustafa, and my focus would be accounting. So I will try to help students all over the world in order to learn, accounting basics and the advanced concepts in accounting as well, especially those who want to come to Canada or to migrate to any other country. And I have nearly 10 years of experience in working for different organizations in Canada, Middle East, and Asia. And regarding the upload, I think I would take some time, maybe a month or so, before I would be able to have something for the upload purposes. So yes, that is all from my side. Once again, thank you so much. And over to the next person.
Thanks a lot. Mr. Nikhil, please.
Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Thank you so much for hiring me. So I've been hired as a instructor for mechanical engineering. So my course includes 3 parts, like part A, part B, and part C. Where in the part A, I'll be dealing with environmental compliance. So I'd like to tell a little bit about part A. So in case if you any part we are selling to different countries, we need to comply with certain regulations of the countries. So that I'll be covering in part A. And the part B contains the EMC, that is electromagnetic compatibility, where you are seen in all the electronic components. The back side, you will see all the various standards, how it has been tested, how it has been applicable to different countries' regulations. So in part B, I'll be dealing with all the standards, what are the tests we need to conduct for different electronic components, how to mitigate the emissions, how to write the test plans, how to do the technical documentation. So that will be covered in part B. Whereas in part C, I'll be doing the reliability concept for the students. In case if you want to give any example, like you might have seen running a car, like testing the car for 1,000 hours, 10,000 hours in heat temperature, high temperature, low temperature, and and also you might have seen dropping the car from the high altitude. So all these things, how we can do for different electronic components, how these tests are conducted, how important is the test. So I'll be conducting all this things in the part C. So when these are my course schedules. Like when it comes to my education, I've done my master's from University of Windsor. So I see one of my instructor from Windsor. So I remember all the things I had in the Windsor, like all the funny things with my friends back in Windsor. So this is about myself and my course. So my course materials, everything's are ready. I'm just waiting to upload it. Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Ravijot Kaur, please.
Hi guys. First of all, thank you so much. I'm really excited to be a part of this team. Well, I have kind of a 7 years of experience in this field. I've been teaching, and my researches has been definitely based on. I've been hired for a commerce and management, and my research in PhD has been based on where I was working for the development of the women empowerment. And yes, so right now I'm in Canada, and I'm working on the writing papers on the equity, diversity, and inclusions. And right now I chose human resource management, where I would like for the students to explore the fundamentals of the Canadian legislation related to the workplace. And yes, my courses, since I'm very much new to this NSRIC, I would need a little bit of a support from this intellectual team that has already been hired in making in the courses, and I've already made some of the PPTs and everything from my end. I would need some of the help to make the course plans and all that, and upload the same on the site. So yeah, that's.
Thank you very much. If you need any help, as I mentioned, you can directly reach out to our quality team or Mr. Azam.
Yeah, I would like I would like a one-to-one meeting regarding the course preparations and everything, so that I'm
if it is very serious, you can directly have a meeting with me. If it is light guideline, then I can assign someone else. It's up to you.
So I can have a meeting with you whenever you are
Wonderful.
free.
Wonderful. So
Thank
just
you.
write to me when you wanted to have a meeting. Normally, I become free after 3 o'clock. So any day after 3 is fine with me.
Okay,
3
let's do that.
p.m. EST. 3 p.m. EST. I should mention EST, right?
Yes. 3 p.m.
Okay.
is Toronto time?
Toronto time, yeah.
Okay.
Eastern time.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Normally, by then I become free.
Yeah, no problem, sir. I'll reach out to you.
Okay, thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, Doctor. So our next one is Miss Rupali, please.
Hello, guys, everyone. Sorry, hello, guys. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. My name is Rupali Gurpuri, and I'm a TESOL graduate. Actually, I didn't work yet in TESOL, but I do have experience. Like I'm in teaching more than 10 years. I did my master's and bachelor's of education in India, and my core subject was English. So it was English literature actually, but many times we do not get job in English literature only. So that's why wherever I worked, I was hired as a business communication instructor. So I have that experience for 10 and more years. But after coming here, I come to know like many of my friends, I see them, they are mostly refugees or immigrants, and they're having issues with the communication here. So that's how I thought that I'll do this TESOL course. I did that, and now I'm looking well now. And thank you for the thank you Enamel Hussain sir for for like giving me this opportunity to teach here. And actually my main aim is that only, that I want to help the immigrants to the basic level. I want them to know the basic communication, like if they want to go to school, how they can communicate with teachers, or if they are going to hospitals, so what should be the communication. So that's how I outlined my course that way. So it is like beginner level, intermediate level, and advanced level. So where I'm going to give them, actually I'm going to show them Canada, like Canadian culture, but uh, like uh, making them learn the vocabulary and also how to communicate. So that's how my plan is, and I have prepared few lessons. But the thing is, I still have little confusions, like how it should be and all. So surely, Dr. Emmanuel, I'm going to connect with you for that. And that's it about me.
Thank you very much. So our next person is Miss Sanjana.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. And thank you so much, Professor Anam, for giving us opportunity to connect with so many people. So my name is Sanjana Monga, and I recently landed in Canada. I am basically from India. I have around 15 years of teaching experience in commerce and management colleges, and I have done my PhD in accounting from Faculty of Management Studies, University of Delhi. Here in Canada, I am associated with Niagara College, Toronto as a sessional faculty, and I'm teaching their accounting and finance related subject. Regarding NSRIC, I got a mail, but I had some confusion that I would be receiving some further instruction to start with, although I have few materials ready, but I need some clarity for that. And definitely I would like to connect with you, Mr. Anam, for that after this meeting, if possible.
Definitely, by all means.
Yeah. Thank you so much again for, giving us opportunity to be here.
You are most welcome. Thanks a lot. We have here one of our partner, Mr. Shahid Wasif. I will give floor to him at the end of our introduction. He is one of our partner for this program, along with our other school program and college program that we have. He is our partner in Bangladesh. So welcome, Mr. Shahid Wasif, for joining us. So Mr. Sheruk Ali.
Morning, everyone. So sorry for my voice. I have a bad flu. Thank you for being part of the team, and it's a real pleasure to meet everyone right here. I come with my camera is not working well. Well, I come with over 15 years of experience in teaching in different universities. I do have a PhD and 2 different masters. And currently I'm pursuing a degree in adult education as well. I guess I'll be part of the business management and supply chain courses with your organization. I'm already done uploading the first part of my course, but I'm still waiting on the launching process, how I can just put it to public. So I guess this is the only thing that I'm still waiting on some help on. Other than that, it's a real pleasure meeting everyone here. Thank you.
Thanks a lot. So, Dr. Wanda, please.
Once again.
Yeah, once again, Dr. Wanda has a special relationship with NSRIC. She is one of our most vibrant professor in the platform, and she is also a professor for our school program for business studies. So anyone who are interested to become a teacher for our NIST school program, certainly you can. We have, as you know, in Canadian school system, we have business studies, technology, science, math, social studies, arts, and all these. So we will be advertising very soon for some of the polls. So she is in different capacity. She is involved with us. She is also involved with us in this program. Thank you so much. I introduced yourself instead of yours. Go ahead, please.
Hello, everyone. I think a lot has been said. I've been with Professor Anam since the beginning, so I'm here forever. It feels like we're family already. My experience, what I will be teaching, I specialize also in hospitality. I've been living in many countries around the world. Currently, I live in Azerbaijan, Baku. And I also work for the government here as well as for a university where I do quality assurance as well, teaching hospitality and business studies for MBA students. I am almost finished with my PhD. I'm finalizing my thesis, and yeah, that's about me. Originally, I'm from South Africa, but I didn't go to South Africa for many years.
Thanks
nice meeting all of you.
Very soon you will become a permanent resident of Canada.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Anyone else, unfortunately, who was not, paying attention? Myself, I think everyone. So anyone else who was not requested for introduction?
Yes, me.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah. No problem.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yes, sure. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here with you. I'm Mustafa. I'm from Iran. I came to Canada 4 years ago. I live in Edmonton. I hold a PhD in mechanical engineering, and I worked for more than 14 years in academic environment as a postdoctoral researcher, lecturer, and associate professor. And I will provide some courses at intermediate, advanced, and professional level. And my field of interest are heat and mass transfer, numerical simulation, and energy systems. Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, Dr. Mustafa. So finally, we are here with our one of our partner with NSRIC. He is the CEO and Managing Director for Sino Atrium Bangladesh Limited, Mr. Shahid Wasif Jewel. Would you please introduce yourself to our professors pool who are hired for the immigration program?
Hi, thank you. Nice to meet you, all of you today. I'm Shahid Wasif, Managing Director at Sino Atrium. My organization provides in-depth training and courses for cyber forensics and digital security systems. We have over 15 years of experience in this field and are well established in this field. We have mainly focused on providing this service to government officials exclusively, but have been enlarging our scope over the past few years, opening up the masses and letting everybody get a share of the pie. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot, Mr. Shahid Wasif, for being here with us today. So our introduction is done.